have lens. Like I have lens. No. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MEKNEX and today we are going to be talking on 3 ways you can grow your edges back quick and easy. Alright guys, I'm not on any wigs or any weaves. That's because I want you guys to see the real thing while I talk, because this video is going to be as real as possible. Just all the truth. Okay, in this video I'm going to be giving a background story, what my hair looked like, what happened, and how I arrived here. So guys, firstly I would want to say that I am this girl that doesn't have edges. From my younger age I had no edges. My edge, I just have this kind of a V-part hair that looked like my forehead. There was no edges. I just had hair behind and no hair in front. So when I was pregnant, I put my hair in a protective style that stayed in for like 3 months because I was lazy. So I wanted something that would stay longer. So I did a protective style that stayed in for 3 months. And in that 3 months, the only thing I did was wake up, use some maybe olive oil, any oil I just see, oil the front of my hair, and then go out. That was all I did within that 3 months. I wasn't going to wash the hair because it was a dreadlock, and then I said I was lazy, so I had no time. So the only way I could make that hair look new was use oil on it. So in any morning when I want to go out, or I just needed to take my bath or do anything, I just oil the front and leave. So when I took down this hairstyle at about 3 months later, wow, I had edges. My hair grew. There was even people said testifying that you no longer have bad hair, you now have edges. So wow. So I was so happy. And then it was time to dedicate my baby. I wanted to look beautiful, so I made one tight braid that the stylist had to pick every drop of hair, every bit of hair in front of my hair. She picked everything and the hair was looking very beautiful. My face was shining and all those good things. So guys, after about 2 weeks with the hair, all my edges pulled. It did not just break, it pulled. I'm going to insert a clip too. My edges pulled out and I was so hot because it took me years to realize that I could grow edges. And then after growing these edges, I just threw it away within 2 weeks. So I was so hot. So I had to take down this hair. I took it down very fast so that it won't cause more damage on my edges. So I took the hair down. When I took the hair down, I was angry. I didn't know what to do. I was so angry. So the only thing I did was I decided to start using rice water on it. So when I'm done making my hair this way, because recently I've had my hair on this style for a while. So when I was done making my hair, I just thought of it. When I was pregnant, the only thing I did was use oil on the hair and my edges grew. But now my hair was bare. What was I going to put oil on? When I finish making my hair, I'll take cotton wool, dip it into rice water, massage it to my scalp, just my edges, and let it sit for a while. Within a month, I started seeing new growth there. Wow, that was awesome. I was so excited that I said, I need to make a video, because that isn't possible for me to start seeing new growth on edges that pull. I know a lot of women that their edges pull and it don't come back at least not for a year. So within 1 month, I started seeing new growth. I was so excited that I made a video about that. So I continued to do that. But what I did most later was I wasn't consistent with the rice water. I stopped being consistent because I was busy with other things. Sometimes I forget. Sometimes when I remember, I'm too weak to go and start massaging rice water into my scalp and waiting for it to dry. So I started using more of the oils. I started using more of the oil because that one is easier to just touch and rub into your scalp since I don't have to wash it out. So after doing this for 2 months, 3 months, here we are. So you see, my edges actually grew. So I even have length. I have length. Guys, I have length. This is length though. I have length. I'm so excited. So this is like about 4 months after my edges pulled and 3 months after I started treating it. And I'm so excited. So guys, oiling your hair is just like in dry season when we have um I think we call it harmattan, when we have dry season, when you don't oil your lips, like the ladies we use wet lips, when you don't use your wet lips or your lip gloss and all that, your lips tend to break. That is what it is for our hair. When you don't moisturize, when you don't oil it with any kind of oil, I will say, because I am not this products person, I mostly use olive oil. So when you don't oil your hair, it's going to break. So even the least of tension tends to break off your hair. Please ignore my son, he won't let me do this video, but I really want to do this video. Oil your hair just like our lips is going to break. It's going to break. So even the least of tension will break it out. So right now, guys, I'm so excited at where I am right now with my edges, and I'm really excited. So you too can try it out if you're having trouble growing your edges. The 3 things I did to grow my edges, I explained already. Number 1 is I stopped any hairstyle at all, no matter how beautiful it's going to be, that placed tension on my hair. The second thing I did was I started using rice water to massage the front of my hair, but this I did not do consistently for over a month. Then the third thing that I actually did and I would recommend you do is never ever leave your edges dry. Always moisturize it. Always put oil, always put leave-in conditioner, just anything that works for you. Hair cream, even Vaseline, you can always put it so that your edges don't stay dry. So if you are this kind of gel kind of person, I advise you use less stronger gel. How do I put it? I just advise you use more of natural gels than this black gel. Is going to break your hair too because it will promote dryness too for your hair. So I just advise you oil your hair, you moisturize, and then don't put tension on your hair. You can use your rice water too and be consistent. Maybe you're just going to have a better result than I have. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited that you click on this video, and thank you. If you are new here, please don't click out without clicking on the red subscribe button. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much. And I'm really excited that I just hit my first 100k. No, it's actually 100 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. It's length. I have length too. It's not just that I have edges, I have length there. So I'm so excited, guys, and I'm really proud that I took this bold step